All right, this is the touch-up pin. This is to repair scratches or micro cracks. It's not really a repair, it's more of a cover-up. So if we go down here and we've got a scratch, can you see that scratch on the video? Can you see the video scratch on the video? So if we've got a scratch, we'll take this touch-up pin. It's got a little nozzle on the end. We'll just kind of squeeze the bottle and then run that along through the scratch. We don't want it to sit too long. We more so want to go ahead and just kind of rub it in, but we don't want to leave any excess on the surface. We want to rub it in, make sure it feels smooth. And this may take 1, 2, 3 applications. You can barely see it. It's never going to go away completely, but it will help. We're going to take some of that, take a microfiber cloth, come in and just scrub it. At first you're going to feel a tacky, sticky surface, but keep on going until it feels smooth again. That's when you know you got the excess off the surface. So show them that there. You can see a big difference. In person, you can see a little very light scuff. That's going to help hide some of these scratches.